This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications in the Google Chrome web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now. To enable or disable notifications in Chrome, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go to the little Settings app. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, down to where it says Apps, and I'm going to tap on Apps. Then I'm going to search for Chrome. These are in alphabetical order, so I'm going to go down just a little ways. Right here is Chrome. I'm going to tap on Chrome. And then right down here is Notifications. You want to tap on Notifications. And right up here, Allow Notifications. If this is toggled on, then you're allowing notifications. If it's toggled off, then you have notifications disabled. Now, if you have notifications enabled, it gives you a lot of choices here. Do you want notifications on a lock screen, on your notification center? Do you want banners? You can choose between any of those options there if you have notifications enabled. But to disable it, you just toggle this off right up here. That is how to enable or disable notifications on the Chrome browser using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.